Tired of your IKEA shelves looking basic? With a few clever hacks, you can turn those plain bookcases into stylish, functional pieces that look custom-made. In today's video, we'll explore easy and affordable ways to transform your IKEA bookcases and shelves. Whether you want extra storage, a high-end look, or a design that fits your space perfectly, these hacks will inspire you to give your shelves a whole new life. Definition: when we say IKEA bookcase and shelf switch-up hacks, we mean creative modifications, styling tricks, and add-ons that upgrade the look and function of your standard IKEA shelving units. Why importance? Bookcases aren't just for books. They define the style of your room, create storage solutions, and can even serve as statement furniture. Instead of spending thousands on custom cabinetry, these hacks let you achieve the same polished look at a fraction of the cost. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Add trim or molding around the edges of your bookcase for a built-in effect. 2. Use peel and stick wallpaper or contact paper on the back panel for instant color and texture. 3. Install floating shelves between two bookcases to create a seamless wall unit. 4. Swap standard knobs or handles with decorative ones for a personalized touch. 5. Add under-shelf lighting strips to highlight your display items. 6. Raise your bookcase on small furniture legs for height and elegance. Tools explained. You'll need basics like a measuring tape, utility knife, adhesive, drill, paintbrush, and painter's tape. If you're adding trim, a miter box or saw will help cut clean angles. For lighting, adhesive LED strips are plug-and-play and beginner-friendly. Workflow: start by planning your design and measuring your space. Then work in stages: prep and paint, add trim or wallpaper, install lighting, and finally style your shelves with decor and storage baskets. This step-by-step process keeps the project organized and stress-free. Quick tips: always measure twice before cutting or drilling. Choose neutral paint or wallpaper patterns if you want a timeless look. Mix books with baskets, plants, and decor to avoid a cluttered appearance. Keep the top of the bookcase styled lightly so it doesn't overwhelm the room. Cost comparison: custom built-ins can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000. With IKEA units and a few hacks, you can achieve a similar look for under $300 depending on the size and upgrades. And that's how you can give your IKEA bookcases and shelves a stylish switch-up without breaking the bank. If you found these hacks helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY ideas, and let me know in the comments which hack you're trying first.